Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This is the Easter Car Show here in St. Louis, and it's a cold and rainy day and kind of kept the crowd away. But boy, oh boy, what a beautiful car. Talk about an Easter egg. 1968 Chevy Camaro Rally Sport Factory Air 327 4-speed hideaway headlights. What a cool car. Unfortunately, the owner was not around, so I came back a couple times. Rally Sport wheels. Came by a couple of times. Just love that script, Rally Sport. But unfortunately, the owner was not here. There's the information. But what a great looking original car. Not sure about the paint, but the interior looks original. 4-speed. And so you got the pedals. And then the Rally Sport with the gauges. Factory air on a convertible. Back then, you didn't see that much at all. But what a nice example. I wish I could have met the owner. But great looking car. Rear spoiler. Original year of manufacturer license plate. You can do that here in Missouri. And here you can see that hog leg, gear select, or Rally Sport gauges. You just don't see many of them with a white interior and then factory air. What a unique vehicle. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed shooting it. My only regret was I wasn't able to meet the owner and get the story behind the car. I'm sure this one has a unique story. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Any comments, questions, leave them below.